welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be the trendy tops haul. I actually went out and hired a photographer and a videographer for the shoot, which is very new for me in Lucknow. मैं पुणे and Kerala में करती रहती थी, but I think it has been more than 1.5 years that I've worked with somebody else to shoot my thing, and I actually loved my hair that day and even today. I've been using a new product, so I thought let's share about that as well. So I think I've made it very clear that I do not like my hair. If you are somebody new, you can watch this vlog. This hairstyle was a disaster done on me. Usually I wait for my hair to grow out naturally, but this time I gave Pilgrim's hair growth serum a try to make it a little more faster. I started using Pilgrim's Redensil and Anagain Advanced Hair Growth Serum, which is from their Secrets of Jeju Island range. Now Redensil is scientifically proven to induce new hair growth and also to prevent hair loss, and Anagain prolongs the life cycle of a hair. This also has the goodness of green tea, which soothes and calms your scalp. You just have to apply a few drops of it on your clean, dry scalp and massage it gently. I use it at night, like before sleeping, so that the serum can work its magic overnight. Along with it, I've also switched to sulfate-free shampoo and the argan oil hair conditioner from the same Pilgrim's Secret of Jeju Island range, which is their Korean beauty range. Now the sulfate-free shampoo is gentle, doesn't lather much, and leaves your hair cleaner instead of dry. Smooth, strong and shiny, as you can see. The conditioner just locks the moisture in and also detangles your hair. I think consistency is the most runny that I've ever come across. It almost feels like a moisturizer, but it actually does a very good job on your hair. Like, it literally detangles your hair. This is my hair without combing. This is just air dried hair. Usually वो बहुत ऐसे frizzy and एकदम उठे से होते हैं, but this shampoo and conditioner range does a good job on my hair. I've definitely seen a healthy change in my hair. I cannot comment about the length thing because I've only been using this product for like 2 weeks, like October में ही start किया है. But I will update you guys on my Instagram. I'm actually asking my brother to use it as well. After my amazing experience with Pilgrim, I've been recommending it to everybody. They are cruelty, sulfate and paraben free and a 100% vegan skincare brand which believes in unearthing beauty secrets from all around the world. You can buy these products from the links mentioned below in the description box and get a great deal by using this coupon code. If anyone of you has ever tried their hair range, let me know in the comment section below. And now let's quickly change and start with the haul. जिसके तुम लोग बहुत देर से वेट कर रहे हो. Alright, so let's start with the tops that I got. तो basically ये हुआ था, ये सारे trendy tops ना काफी टाइम से मेरे wish list में थे. I was actually supposed to shop for festive season, but फिर मुझे लगा कि I do need some more trendy tops, so I bought these. So the first one is from this brand called Veni Vidi Vici. It's this black solid crop top. I got it in size L. Also, this is the first time that I've bought items from L, and I think it's okay. I think I should size up. So this has a very weird सी sleeve. So आधे में there is this ruching and poofiness. थोड़ी सी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but it is there. And बाकी में it's very well fitted. I love how this fits me. It's very body hugging, but it's not very tight at the same time. I think L मुझे सही fit हो रहा है, so I like it. इसका material, however, is not very comfortable. Like इसमें गर्मी हो सकती है if you go out in धूप. But I think अभी के मौसम के लिए this is perfect. This retails for 13.99 and I got it for just 550 rupees. I think 550 के लिए this is definitely worth it. I'm gonna give it 4.5 out of 5. Yeah. So the next top is a very cute and trendy sa top. It's from this brand called Athena. It's a very beautiful green crop top. Just look at it. मतलब इसकी पिक्चर्स मेरी आंखों में एकदम बस गई थी. I had to get it. इस टॉप से मुझे बहुत ही वो पिकनिक टाइप वाइब्स आ रही है. I don't know why. बहुत ही क्यूट सा टॉप है, but at the same time it's very uncomfortable. ये मैंने मीडियम साइज में लिया था and this wasn't enough to cover my bust at least. हर जगह से सही थी फिटिंग, बस बस्ट थोड़ा छोटा था. And I only know कि मैंने कैसे शूट किया था. इसका कपड़ा and everything was good. It's just वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिवीलिंग था. Like I couldn't even bend down. इसको शूट करते वक्त I was like बिल्कुल straight. Now this one retails for 12.99 and I got it for 844 rupees. I do not think so this is worth your money. Like 850 में you can get a much better top. I feel like if your bust is somewhere around 32C or B cup, then this will fit you. If this fits you, then this is definitely worth your money. I will give this a 3 out of 5 3 piece because I really like the style. But fitting wise and comfort wise, so this deserved the 1.5 only. Next, I got this really colorful yet very cute and trendy and thoda Y2K vibe wala crop top. So there were 2 photographers who were helping me shoot. एक ने ये टॉप देख के बोला कि I can definitely wear this to a pride week because इसमें पूरे वो rainbow वाले colors थे. Coming back to the top, it's from Sastra Faz, again a very popular brand. I think Benny, Vidi, Vicky and Sastra Faz and Athena are like these go-to brands for me on winter. मैंने ये size M में ही मंगवाया था and I like the fitting. I have to say you might face some issues with the cleavage because इसका काफी deep V neck है and उसके नीचे एक knot है. So there isn't much area around the bust area. So there might be a chance कि आपकी bra might peek through. So yeah, that's all. I got it for just 400 rupees and I feel this is definitely worth it. Like I like this top, it's very cute. This top will get a 3.5 because I really like the style and the colors. It's just I don't think so मैं इसे बाहर ज़्यादा पहन पाऊँगी. So इसलिए 3.5. Next top is again from Benny, Vidi, Vicky. I'm sorry, इस brand का नाम मुझे बिल्कुल लेना नहीं आता. I've had my eyes on this top since forever. This sort of gives like that corset वाला look, but I knew कि corset वाला कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is a pink ruffled crop top with floral print all over. I got it in size L. This is like a strappy camisole only. बस bust के आगे यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी frills हैं. I feel like I should have sized down because ये थोड़ा सा loose था मुझ पे. Like I feel like M would have fitted me better, so I might get it exchanged. But I do like the style. It looks really cute and इसके साथ मुझे कोई problem भी नहीं हो रही. Like I can easily wear my strapless bra with it and I would be able to wear it outside. It is comfortable and I like the style as well. It looks really cute. This is like an elevated camisole that you can wear with anything. Oh, and this was just for 468 rupees. I don't know अब क्या price है, but 468 के लिए I definitely like it and I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. The next 2 items are from this brand called Trendy All. I do not know how to pronounce it, but yeah, ये brand has been on my radar for a really long time. Like I really wanted to try their clothes because they looked so good. They had almost like H&M quality clothes, but like style wise I really liked them, but at the same time I did find it a little expensive. So I bought 2 tops from them. एक तो मैंने I think 1-2 महीने पहले लिया था. This is like a green regular fit cami top जिसके straps are the main highlight. Like so this is like a one shoulder top. I have worn it for a lot of videos of mine and I absolutely love it. इसका कपड़ा is like a proper polyester वाला कपड़ा by the way. It hugs your body very nicely but at the same time गर्मी नहीं लगती. It's basically because ऊपर पूरा खुला ही है तो गर्मी नहीं लगती इसमें and I love the color. I think इसका color is what makes it stand out apart from the straps. This one also retails for 1300 by the way, but I got it for like 550 rupees. I feel like 550 के लिए I like it. So इसको 5 देते हैं because I really like it. Now the next top that I got from the same brand is this 5 poof sleeved crop top. मुझे बहुत elegant और बहुत smart लग रहा था. I specifically ordered it for a event जिसे मुझे attend करना था. This was completely not my style. And ये जब आया, I was kind of disappointed. पहली चीज़ I ordered an M and since it cotton था ना तो ये बहुत ही tight था मुझे. So you'll have to wear a nude bra underneath it and the cutout in the front might be an issue. And I don't know why, but I expected it to be so much elegant and graceful. It doesn't look like that. In fact, it gives me that sexy nurse wali outfit vibes. Pata nahi kyun. I'm sorry for the words, but yeah. That's what I feel. So even though I got it at a very good discount, like this retails for 3250, almost like 3200, and I got it for like 880 rupees. I don't think so. I don't think so. Quality wise, it's good. It might look really nice, but it's not worth your money. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this reel. जहाँ पे I styled my parrot green leheria sari with a crop top as a blouse. So this blouse is also from Myntra. It's from this brand called Scorpius. I just searched for pink crop tops and I found this and I felt like ये काफी अच्छा blouse बनेगा मेरी साड़ी के लिए, but unfortunately इसकी fitting is really off. Something about the band जो neck के पीछे जाना is really off. Like it wouldn't sit on my shoulders. वो खड़ा हो जाता है एक तरीके से. So it's very weird and I have filed a return for it because I can't wear it. बहुत अजीब सी fitting है इसकी. This I got for 649 rupees. I think I'll rate it 2.5. And the last top is also from the brand Sastra Faz. It's a green and white striped smock top. It's basically like a cute top. मुझे इसका color combination style बहुत cute लग रहा था. So I got it. I felt like इसके साथ में कुछ chunky सा neck piece add करके I can make it work and I genuinely like this top. इसका कपड़ा is like this comfortable cotton material. Now ये मैंने size L में लिया था. So it's very comfy. Like the fitting and all is really nice. It looks overall so cute. If you're somebody comfortable with off shoulders, I think this top is super cute to be missed. I think I'll give it a 4 out of 5. And yeah, with this we've come to the end of this haul. Let me know if you liked this video. What were your favorite picks? I definitely like the black top that I'm wearing, the green top from Trendy On, also the pink ruffle top, वो बहुत cute था. I hope. Wow. Coming to this week's sunflower shout out of the video, it goes to Arpita. Thank you so much for this lovely comment. I know this video I didn't use the sunflower squad wala board. I'll make sure I include that board more often. Vlogs ka I'm not really, I don't know, I keep shooting vlogs but I don't edit them and upload it because I feel like response itna amazing nahi rehta, and I feel like abhi I should put out content which would make us reach 100k thoda pehle, like thoda jaldi. So yeah, that is why you're not gonna see a lot of vlogs in the coming time. But yeah, thank you for loving the vlogs so much. If you are somebody who hasn't subscribed to the channel, please hit the red button and make us reach 100k thoda jaldi. Sorry for being so desperate. That is all. I'll see you next time. Bye.